Are you frustrated and struggling to learn how to operate your Onefinity Elite? Is that MASSO monster still kicking your ass on the daily? What about VCarve Pro? If you answered yes to any of those questions, you've found your new favorite YouTube channel. Hi, I'm Marty Mitchell, recovering caveman and owner of Mitchell's Woodwork. I know the struggle of trying to come from an X-Carve or a Chipogo background and take on this machine. It's not easy, but I can make it easier for you if you'll just subscribe to my channel. I promise you that. I'm also an affiliate for many of the best-known CNC related companies, including Pone CNC, Cadence Manufacturing, maker of the Jenny Bits, Ugly Dog, Bits and Bits, Dashmade Woodworking, and many more to come. Save money on your next order from any of these great companies by clicking on the affiliate link in the descriptions of my videos. So come on, join dozens of others that enjoy my style of teaching and my sense of humor. Click that subscribe button and let's get busy.